Do you know what time it is? It's time for stretching and then bedtime for me. Hi, I'm Angel. You can call me Auntie Angel or ZGALA. I'll try not to fall over. You might gather I'm silly. I'm just here to do a quick freestyle stretching session before I hit the hay, as they say. That rhymes, so you know it's true. And as usual, I want to invite you to join me to let go of some stress, shake off some worries, put down some cares. Just take a deep breath or two and let some stuff go that's no longer serving you. I always try to remember to remind you that there's not one way to check in with your body. There are many right ways and many wrong ways, and you must listen to your own body to know what that is for you. So I will remind you, don't do anything that doesn't feel right in your body. You're welcome to use me as a inspiration and prompt, but mostly this is about encouraging you to get to know yourself better, to get to love yourself a little bit more, and move your body however feels right to you. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to talk while I do it. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe while I'm thinking of it. Let's start with some shoulder shrugs. Pardon the heater over there. It's making warmth, which is good. It's a little chilly out tonight. I encourage you to make some noise if you like to with your sighs. Try out some different sighs. See how they feel in your body. Let's start with shrugging the shoulders up and breathing in. And then holding and then breathing in a little bit more. And then just letting it go. I like to swing the arms while I do that. If you can muster it, then you can alternate one elbow over the other, then the other elbow over the other. That make any sense? It's a good way to sync up your brain and also give your arms a fair stretching. Let's do a couple more of those. Breathing in, tensing up. I like to add the fingers and the toes, maybe the face, the pelvic floor. Breathe in a little more and then swing the arms back, swing them around, shake off the stresses of yesterday, of today, make room for the stresses of tomorrow. Let's do one more. Breathing in, putting the shoulders into the ears, tensing up and breathing in a little bit more, holding. Then just letting it go. It's that easy. I'm going to do a little more stretching. I'm going to come back and do a different video for that, but I like to keep some of them nice and short and sweet and remind you it doesn't have to take a long time to let go of some stress. Check in with your body. Give yourself a little love because you're worth it. Don't forget to stay curious, stay courageous, and get more fit and more free. I'll be seeing you. Ciao for now.